So, linisin natin tong solenoid valve. Linis. Walang oil sludge. Kapag alaga sa change oil, regularly, 5,000 to 6,000, maximum 7,000, whether it's fully synthetic or not. Change oil agad. Look, ang linis. There's no need for me to clean this one. Still clean. Still clean. Same also for this one. Linis. Good. Done. Balik. Okay, kahit malinis pa rin yung solenoid valve, nag-penetrating oil pa rin tayo. So parang WD-40 pa rin yan. So basahin ng WD-40 sa loob. Then, let's start. Alright. Switch on. Switch. Then, start. Suabe. Cold start. Kahit basa ng WD-40 yan or yung Petron na penetrating oil yung solenoid valve, nag-i-start. Kahit sa ibang sensors. Proven ko na yan kahit basa. Okay, good.